Good morning, children. In previous class, we have discussed different types of nutritions like autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Children, in autotrophic nutrition, the organisms can prepare their own food material in the presence of sunlight. So, the preparation of food material in the presence of sunlight, this process is known as photosynthesis. Children, now we are discussing about the process of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis process, leaves play a important role. Leaves in photosynthesis process, children, leaves play very important role because in leaves a green colored pigment is present. Pigment is present. It is called chlorophyll. It is called chlorophyll. Children, in leaves, a green colored pigment is present. It is called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps leaves to capture the energy of sunlight. What is the use of chlorophyll? Chlorophyll capture the energy of the sunlight. Okay, children. So, chlorophyll helps leaves to capture the energy of sunlight. This energy is the light energy is used to synthesize different types of food materials. Synthesize different types of food materials like glucose, proteins, fats, etc. These are the different types of food materials prepared from the sunlight. So, the energy is used to synthesize different types of food materials from carbon dioxide and water. Okay, since the synthesis of food occur in the presence of sunlight, so the synthesis of or the preparation of food occurs in the presence of sunlight. Okay, so it is called photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, photo means light. Synthesis means to prepare. So, photosynthesis means the green plants use of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to prepare food materials. So, this process is known as photosynthesis. Okay, children. So, we find that chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water are the necessary raw materials to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Children, in photosynthesis process, carbon dioxide, water, sunlight and chlorophyll are the necessary raw materials or essential raw materials to carry out the process of photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is a important life process on the earth. So, photosynthesis is important important life process on the earth. On the earth. Okay, children. So the solar energy is captured by the leaves and stored in the plant in the form of food. So sun is the main source of energy. So sun is the main source of energy for all living organisms. All living organisms on the land. On the land. Okay, children. So, in the presence of sunlight, plants can prepare their own food material. In the presence of sunlight, plants can prepare their own food material in the presence of chlorophyll. So this process is known as photosynthesis. Can you imagine, children, life on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis? What happened? If the photosynthesis is not take place on the land, what happened? In the absence of photosynthesis, there would not be any food because the food cannot be prepared in the absence of photosynthesis. The survival of almost all living organisms directly or indirectly depends upon the food made by the plants. Okay, children. Besides oxygen, which is essential for the survival of all living organisms, so oxygen is not produced because photosynthesis does not occur on the land. So photosynthesis is the important life process. If photosynthesis does not occur, life would be impossible on the earth. Okay, children. During photosynthesis, chlorophyll containing cells of leaves, the presence of sunlight, use carbon dioxide and water to synthesize carbohydrates. So the process can be represented in the equation. The equation is, see children, carbon dioxide plus water. Carbon dioxide plus water gives, this symbol is known as gives, in the presence of sunlight by chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. What are the products formed? Carbohydrates, plus water plus oxygen. Okay, children, these are the end products of the photosynthesis. What are the end products of the photosynthesis? Carbohydrates, water and oxygen. What is the equation of photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight by chlorophyll. They can produce carbohydrates plus water plus oxygen. Okay. During the process, oxygen is released. In photosynthesis process, oxygen is released in the form of gas. So the presence of starch in the leaves indicates the occurrence of photosynthesis. So starch is also one type of carbohydrate, simple carbohydrate. Okay, children. But in some plants, leaves are different in colors. Leaves are different in colors. In some plants, the leaves are green in color. Green in color. Some are children, generally in plants, the leaves are green in color. In some plants, the leaves are red in color. In some plants, the leaves are brown in color. In some plants, the leaves are yellow in color. But in these plants also photosynthesis occurs? Yes, because in these plants, chlorophyll is also present. The large amount of red, brown and yellow color pigments mask the green color pigment. So, photosynthesis is also take place in these leaves also, different colored leaves also. Okay, children. Generally, children, in our surroundings, we can see a green colored patches in the stagnated water bodies. These are generally formed by the growth of some organisms. These organisms are known as algae. Algae are the organisms. They are generally grown in stagnated water bodies. They are green in color. So, algae also contain chlorophyll. Algae also contain chlorophyll. So, they can prepare their own food material in the presence of sunlight. So, algae are also known as autotrophic organisms. Autotrophic organisms. Okay, children? Now, algae are the green colored organisms. They can generally grow in stagnated water bodies like tanks and ponds and in the fields of paddy. So, algae also contain chlorophyll pigment. So, they are all appeared green in color. So, they can prepare their own food material in the presence of sunlight. So, algae are known as autotrophic organisms. Okay, children? In next class, we will discuss another important topic, heterotrophic nutrition. Okay? Thank you.